Just talked to the owner. He's pretty nice. So I'm just gonna walk. Look at that flower right there. That's the owner right there. Told me all about the tree. Said it's maybe 50 years old. 1950s. It was planted here. Look at that. Back there. I'd like to get back there. He said the eagle would like freak out if I went around the front. So just want to walk the length of this. And that's the front of his house there. He's got some rhododendrons there, but I think it's huge. Beautiful. The whole front of the house. He said he's going to keep it as it is. As long as he's alive, this will be here. I was greatly happy to hear that. So, made a new friend. And I told him, don't be surprised if you see me around.